partner, or is just another agreement?
Yeah, of course. As I say on December, I think in one interview, I mean, I will not have a new partner on the helmet, and I keep one of the partners that follow me since 2012, and or 2011 we started, and 2012 was the official thing, and yeah, of course. They are supporting me a lot. I'm super happy with Estrella Galicia, and yeah, we have that new deal for the helmet.
And for Davide, do you ever think of the battles with